Hello everyone, welcome back out to the range. Today we're going to be testing 2 different bullets, 3 different cases, small and large rifle primers. So we have Federal brass with small rifle primers. These are the 140 grain Spear Gold Dots. We have the 140 grain Spear Gold Dots in Hornady brass, which is large rifle primer. And then I am testing Winchester brass with large rifle primers. And these are shooting 90 grain Spear TNTs. And these are considered at the top end of the recommended load. So please don't use this data as a safe load for every rifle. So we're gonna start at the top left target. So we're gonna start off with the Federal brass shooting small rifle primers, 140 grain, Spear Gold Dot. There's our first 2 shots, top left target. Now we're going to move on to the 140 grain with the large rifle primers. So I decided to let the barrel cool off before I took the other shots. However, I think I forgot to hit record again. However, I will still show you the other groups. We have our first couple shots. I am super impressed with this group. 2 practically in the same hole. That is the Federal brass with the small rifle primer. I'm not sure why, but I always get very good consistent groups with the small rifle primer in Federal brass. I'm not sure about any other brass like Starline, but every time I come out to the range, this is how my groups look at small rifle primers. This is the 140 grain. This is also the 140 grain. First shot, I might have pulled just left, but it shot quite low. There's no way I pulled down, but the second shot definitely went straight in the bullseye. This is definitely under an inch group, I believe. And then we have, this is the 90 grain TNTs. You can see the impact shift is just up and to the, you can see that the impact shift is just up and to the left. But also not too bad of a group, quite small group. I would say 3/4 of an inch at least, but definitely Federal small rifle primer brass, so consistent in this rifle.